I'll first start it. So today we are going to we build pages. Like we are going to build three pages like contact page, home page, and about us page. And we'll be building header and footer also. So these are going to be topics of today. So we'll be building like we go to like in home page we build hero section. Then some like we take reference of any website and we build like that. So that's going to be today's session. And at the end of the session, I'll be giving you some tasks which you have to do and submit through Google Drive. Take the screenshots of the like pages which you have developed and just upload into Google Drive and share the link with Ashish or like he will explain you what to do about that. So now we're going to build the pages. And first I'll be going to theory part, then we go to WP local and we are going to build it. So coming to website low. So for every website, like we open it, once we open the website, like we can see first the header and then we can see the hero section and below content and the page, like every page is ended with footer and started with header. So these are main sections of the website. And like this is the blueprint of the website. So for every website and every pages we are going to build like header pages, like page content, and then going to footer. So here meet the like there are three essential pages. Like for every type of website we have home page, about page, and contact us page. So these three are going to be the essential pages for any website. So like we are going to build these three pages today. So we'll go to WordPress and we'll build this through like three pages using Elementor. And coming to Elementor, I'll be explaining total about the Elementor, like what is Elementor, why we are going to use Elementor, and all things in like upcoming session. So for today, we are going to discuss about these three important pages, and we are going to build this. So coming to home page. So this is the front page of our website. Like here, its content, like homepage content, most of important content. Like if we go to hero section, like it is a session where the hook what like it shows what our website, like what our page is, we are going to provide in our
जुन भएको के
website.
त्यही हिजो अस्ति भएको थियो मैले भन्थेँ 15 दिन गरेर
And like it is the introduction of your like for every person there is introduction, like in the same way this is going to be the introduction of our website. And like it contains some important information about the like site or about the businesses like for which the website is going to be built. And coming to like the about page and contact page, like about page is contents, like about page contains vision, like what is the vision of the like company and what is the vision of the specific business. And it contains mission, what is the mission of that, like what it solves, on what basis they have built that. And it contains basic details of the company, like in which year it started, how many potential clients it have, and other business related things in about us page. And contact us page, basically it have contact details of the website. We can like they provide support mail and contact details and a map which points to their location, and some other emails. And they provide a contact form through which we can contact to the specific companies. And here we have discussed day before yesterday, right? Like what is pages, what is post. Like it's a note that pages are static and permanent, used for site structure. And coming to post, they are dynamic, like change like specific time they are changed and used for blog or news. Example articles here. Example we can take pages. For pages, examples are home and about, contact page, and post there are articles, updates. So a quick like we are going to see here. And here, now how to create pages. As I have told you like in previous sessions, like I'm going to repeat it again. So in WordPress dashboard, once we log into our website, there we can see a like dashboard. On left side we have some tabs. In the tabs we can find a third or like approx third or fourth tab, we can find pages. In pages we are going to click on pages, like we can click on pages or we can directly click on add new page, like add new button. Once we click on that, we have to add site page title. Then we click then we have to click on the publish button, as we have discussed day before yesterday's class. And that is a way of creating pages in WordPress. So and like we are going to create these three pages. So like create a page title like home, about, and contact page. Now I'll be showing you like I think we have created home page day before yesterday. Now we are going to create about and contact also. So once we go to WP, yeah, it's all started. In that time, I'll be downloading this logo. So here we are on our WordPress dashboard. So here we click on all pages. So as I said, like we have created already this home page. Now we are going to add the about us page and contact us page. Here I'll be adding title about us. Okay. So this is going to be our home, like about us page. Now we are going to add contact us page. So now set to WordPress. Now we start building our home page. As we have like discussed the day before yesterday, like we are going to build a single page website, right? So today we'll be building uh, home page. For building homepage, I have downloaded the logo and I'll be taking some school images in 16:9 ratio. Here we'll be clicking on edit with Elementor. So we can see here slides, right? We have already created slides. So now I'll be downloading some images for it and I'm going to dump in it. So I have took two images. I have uploaded it right now here. We'll click on create gallery, insert. Now we'll set the image resolution full slideshow. one stretching. So yeah. Right. So here I'm customizing, like I'm setting resolution to full, and I am keeping like slides to show. So one slide at a time, and image stretch no, and I have kept here only arrows. It will be in default, it will be with like dots and arrows. So I'll be clicking on arrows, and here we can change the icons like arrow. If you want to keep arrow, or if you want to change from arrow to any other icons, you can change it from here. It's default. Here we can upload SVG, or we can search in the icon library also. Here you can search like this type of arrows or this type of arrows. We have like approx 5 to 10, 10 arrows here. You can select any one. So I'll be leaving it for default. And link, we are not going to provide any link here. If we add link, when we click on this home page, it will directly redirect to the link. And coming to caption, it shows like if we want to add title on the home page, like image title, it will like we have here we have to take the title, and in style we have to uh, adjust the like spacing and typo, all things. So I'll be not taking the caption here. So additional options. So as we have discussed the day before yesterday, here it is already autoplay. It will play in the loop, and pause on hover. It will be paused on hover, and pause on interaction, auto speed. I'll make it like 1,000, or we can keep it 3,000 of course. And animation speed, I'll leave it like direction is left itself. So effect slide, we can keep slide or fade. Like if we keep slide, it will slides. If we keep fade, like it fade like one image to another image, just like this. So I'll click slide. And in style, same way we can like we can adjust the arrows. Like if you want to keep it inside or outside, we can change it, and we can here customize like arrow size. We can keep whatever size we want, and we can change the arrow color also here. So I'll be keeping it black. And here it's come about image. Here we can keep borders to image, and this is border radius. It can like we can use it like this. Like we can keep somewhat covers for our home page, like a hero session. So I'll take another image for slide 2. Take this. So I'm again going to upload it. Mm. Give me a minute. Take the wait a minute. Like we'll adjust the email. Like it's not in 16:9 ratio, so that's why it's showing smaller image. We'll adjust it into 16:9. So here again, I am going to upload it here. So make sure the images you are taking for hero section should be in 16:9 ratio. So the fit like they fit in correct exactly. If the ratio is bigger or smaller, it will cause like error in home like hero session, which will not look appropriate. Like you can see for me, right? In the same way. Yeah, here you can see, right? The 16:9, it's perfect fit. The image is somewhat blur. Will I'll be making it for next session. I'll be changing it to clear image. So here, make sure that you have to take images which are in 16:9 ratio. And here arrows color looking somewhat odd. We'll take white. Leave about the image clarity. Like this is how we can make the hero session. And coming to the like headings and all. So here we'll take title. Here we have taken the hero session, right? So now we'll take any school reference. Here, not only the images we can add, like if you want to add any video, just we have to take same, click on this, click on video. Here we have to like if you have any YouTube video, we can take YouTube video link. Or if we don't have any YouTube, like if we are going to use the video which we have uploaded on this site, just we have to go to media section. If we go to media section, uh, 1 minute, I'll show you that. So we have to replace the link, like we have to click on self-hosted. We can directly we can directly upload here, or you can use like if you have like this. Just we have to enter the URLs. So here we'll get URL for the media. If you click on any media, you will get a URL here. So file URL. You have to like click on this. It will be copied. Then you have to come here and paste. You have to paste here. So as that is an photo URL, it's not showing. We'll take any YouTube video, like we'll take for example any YouTube video. We'll take this. You have to just copy URL. You have to paste here. And if you click on this autoplay, it will it's directly play. Like if you want to play on mobile also, we can directly play. We can mute audio or we can unmute the audio. And we can play the video in loop. It repeats itself. Yes, you can see it is repeating itself. We have captions. We can add captions also. If you don't need to add that, like we can off it. And privacy mode. This is like lazy load, like it will take some more time to load. And we can keep suggestions also. So here, like we'll be using self-hosted. Like if you take any example of video, like I'll be uploading it here if I have any video. So I think I don't have any videos on desktop, but just you have to upload, like how we are going to add the images. You have to just directly upload the video. If you want to take from here, you can take from here, or you can directly take from hosted only. And you have to click the settings which you have to, which you are going to, like if which settings you are want to use, you have to click on the settings. Just like image, you have multiple settings in that. And here I will be removing this 0. Once we see, so here it's showing like this, but we'll click on full. And full width. So here, this is the settings of the container which we have taken. Like here we have click on plus icon and we have took flexbox, right? If we click on this, the box will be open. Here we can control the settings of the box which are going to take. In this box, we can drop multiple things, like first I want image, I'll be dropping image. And then below image, I want some text related to image. Then I'll be adding text. For this text, I want some heading to be maintained, like I'll be adding heading. So this heading, like in HTML, we have like H1, H2, like H3, H4. These are like heading 1 is most important and heading 6 is less important. And this is dev. We can take dev spam, and this is paragraph. So we are going to discuss in depth about this dev spam, span and paragraph. Like you can, by name only, you will be knowing about paragraph tab. It's nothing but paragraph. And here we are going to take like H2 or H3. Here we are going to enter our content, like a small section about our school. And here we can paste link for the text. And if you want to paste, we can paste. If not, we can leave it like that. And coming to style is nothing but the CSS. Here we can keep the, like we can change the alignments. We can keep center, left aligned, right aligned, and this is like justified. And here we'll keeping to like left aligned. Here we can change the typography, like in typography we can change the font. Here we have plenty of fonts. Whichever you want to use, directly you can search any font. Like if you want Montserrat, I'll be searching for it and I'll change it. This here we can like control the size of the text. I'll be leaving like 20. And here we can control the weight is nothing but the boldness. If you want to keep thin, we can keep thin. And if you want to keep dark black, like this we can keep like that. And if you want to keep like semi bold, we can keep it semi bold. Here I am keeping like semi bold. We'll keep bold. And transformation, like if you want to keep it in uppercase, lowercase, capitalized, our text is already in capitalized, so we can keep it capitalized or normal. Default is nothing but the way we are going to write here, that is called default. And here style, so in style we have normal, italic, oblique. So italic means it's like this. So oblique. There is not not much difference in italic and oblique. So here we'll keeping in a normal. And decoration we have underline, overline, a line through, and we have none. Like we can keep none. And here we'll having like line height, what is the height of the line, and letter spacing, the spacing between letter. And coming to more, we have word spacing also, the spacing between words, like word spacing, and this is letter spacing. So these all things we can control in this. And if we click on this, they are all set into default. And text stroke, like we can give stroke to the text. We can customize the color also. And we can keep custom color, or the color which we like. If you have any color code, you can directly keep color code with color code. And here if you click on this, it restores. And we can add the text shadow, like shadow also here. Here we can blur it. If you want a background somewhat blur, we can blur. And we have some other options, like you can explore them, like horizontal. We can like the text, how should be the text, it should be vertical or horizontal, like this is somewhat keeping in vertical and the horizontal. So yeah, so keeping like this, so you can see somewhat shadow background. And we can blend the text also in whatever way we want. And here we can control the text animations like that, like if you want to change the color when we click on the, like when we hover on the text, we can change the color. Like if you want red color, when we hover on it, it changes to red color. Once we save it from here and we go here, here happened is, so it's not coming. I think there is some glitch. Normally it should be working. When we hover on the text, it should be changed to red color. Once we try for this also. I'm facing some problem. So it should be changing to color. I think I have some problem in my PC. Once try at your own PC, like it should be changing from like when we are keeping it normally, the text should be like this. When we hover our mouse on this, it should be changing to a red color, and we can control the transition also, like duration. It should be happen in 1 second or 2 second, like 0.1 second, 0.2 seconds. We can control the transition time, and for both same here we can in this we have some multiple options, like we'll take full screen. Here we can keep we can add bold text or normal. Here also we can add headlines in paragraph. If you want to underline the text, we can underline. This is italic. We can add points in this, and number ordered and unordered list we can create, and we can insert the link also. For here I am removing this, and here we can add images also inside this. Click on this. Here from this we can add images also. If I want to, like, I want to insert this, like I can insert like this inside the text, and if I want text should be one side and the image should be one side, I can keep like that. Or if I want text upside and in middle the image, I can keep like this. Or we can keep this side also. So we have like 3 to 4 options we can customize. This way we can here we can control the size also here if we want to keep it full size, or we want to keep it in thumbnail size. Here we can give like URL also. When we click on this image, it will redirect to the URL which we have given, and we can update it like this. This is thumbnail size, and coming to style, in same way we can control the all things which we have done in, like for header, the same typography, text shadow, here a text color, and this is paragraph spacing, like the spacing in paragraph. If we take big long paragraph, we can adjust the spacing also in that. And here the same way, I think I have some glitch here. The color is changing, but on hover it should be changed to red color. It's not changing. For wait a minute, we'll try for a button. We have plenty of things in this, like If we take button, on click, like here we have hover, right? I change text color. Yeah. So the same way here we can see, right? When we hover on that, it should be changed. For button, it's working for, but here for this text, it's not working for me right now. But this will work like this. Like here I keep like if I keep black color, it changes to white. Like I have kept here white, right? So black to white. In the same way, here the color is green, right? So here what we can do, we can keep like transparent. We keep transparent, and when we click on hover, I'll be adding here some color. I'll keep like we can keep like this animations like hover effects. So this is how it should be work here. And coming to more here, we can add like we have icon boxes. Like if we so here they have used like you can see the school text and below the image. So the same way like here we have inserted in this, right? Here we have inserted our like image in the text, right? In the same way, they have added the image in the text, like in the paragraph. If we want to add, yesterday we have seen like we want to add some profiles. Like if you want to create like this, like if you want to create profiles like this, like image, the text, and below we have about them, right? Like what is their post. If we want to create like this in here, like in home page, just we have to take a flex box here. Just we have to search icon box or image box. If we take image box, here we get here we can upload image of the person and click on in select. Here we have to write their image, like their name. Here we have to give about like their designation, something, anything about their designation. So like in this way we can create the profile, like we create profiles. And here coming to this, we can adjust also like the image should be left side, or the image should be centered, or the image should be right side. And the alignment also, the text alignment, if should we, if we want to keep it in center, we can center it. At the bottom we can keep it bottom, or upside we can keep it upside. And alignment also, text alignment, we can adjust the whatever way we want. Here the spacing, like spacing between the image and text. So what is the spacing between image and text, we can control that. The content spacing, the content spacing is nothing but space between the content, the space between the both lines. And here we can control the image width, image height, and radius for the image. Like if you want corner borders, like what we say round, like you can see, right? Here if you see, the borders are like you can see, like just before we have seen in hero section, right? The same way we can do here. And we can add the shadows. And if we want to decrease occupancy, when we click on hover, we can do that also, like you can see, right? The same way we can add these effects. And here we can control the content. This is about title, the school about this, and the description about the downside. So we can control the typography, text color, all things here from here. In this way we are going to build the hero section. So I'll be taking full width. So coming to this is about container. Already we have to flexbox, right? Flexbox, right? Here it's showing that we have to flexbox, and full width is nothing but the whole the full width of the page. Like the full width of the page. It will take the full width, and if we keep it like a box, it will take width like a boxed width. If we refresh it, you can see the width is decreased, and here we can adjust the heighting also. For now, the we don't take any height here. Like I'll be clicking on full width. Here we can when we add new item, like if we add anything to this container, as if I want to add a headline for this, it's going to be add upside or downside. Like if I take here, I'm going to add it downside. But if I want to add that like side by side, I'll be directly clicking here. If I click on this, they're going to add it in a side by side. Like if I going to add like this, it will be in reverse section. Upside is nothing but the same way. If we like we can add upside or downside, like the flow of the content. And this is justify content, like start, centered, and right now we have like up to downside, right? That's why they are not working. And this is like centered, the content, about the content, and stretched. So for now we'll keep start. This is gaps between the columns. We can keep the gaps or we can decrease the gaps. And here overflow, like hidden, like if the content is overflowing, we can hide the overflow content or we can keep it like default. This is what about the container part. So we can customize the container background also. For better, like we'll remove here, we'll take a container like directly. So I'll be removing this. I'll add here. We take a container, and here we'll take slideshow. Here you can see, if we take like this, the gaps, like we can see gap sides, right? For this, for fixing this, what we take directly, we take this, and here if we come to style, we can see like background option. Here we're going to like slideshow. I clicking on this, we add directly here media. Like I think we have direct already uploaded, right? I'll be taking this and this. I'll clicking on create gallery. Like now here I'll be going to adjust the height. For now, here now we have to adjust the height. If we adjust the height, we can see the image full size. Uh, so we'll be taking full width. Yeah. Now you can see here. If you see now, yeah. So there is no gap right now. You can see now the sites are filled. So this is how we are going to build our uh, hero section. And now if you see, if we take the homepage of the school, there you can see the back side is the image, hero section image, and on it they have added some text. So if we want to add text on this, we have to directly click on add, and we have to add a hero like heading and a paragraph like text editor. For tagline, I'll be taking and adding here. And if you want to add any button like CT hai, here they have added admissions open. So just like that, I'll be clicking on like searching for button. I'll be adding button also. So here we have added our stuff which we are going to edit here. So we'll take content from here like building leaders of tomorrow. So I'll be writing here. So here we have added that. And if you want to keep it in two lines, just you have to click on enter, and you have to first we have to take from H2, we'll shift to div. Sorry, this is H1, right? And we'll remove like this. Like this. Here only. So once we check, I think they have uploaded direct. So they have uploaded direct image. If you want to like keep two lines, we'll directly adding one more here. We'll take of tomorrow from here, and here we keep of tomorrow. And coming to space, like this, yeah. And now you can see like there is hover like occupancy is less, right? The background image. If you want to decrease the occupancy of a backside image, you have to click on the six dots and you have to go to style. Here you can see classic or grid. If you go down, here you can see background overlay. Just come here and click here, choose any color. So for now, we'll keep black only. If you take black here, here you can adjust the occupancy also, decrease or increase. So we'll keep 1.4 or something like that. So here in this way. So for occupant, like for the overlay, just we have to click on the six dots, come here and go to background overlay, select color here, and here you can adjust the occupancy. And if you want to add the hero section images, directly add a flex box and click on six dots, come to background, click on slideshow, add your images here. So this is how you can like here also you can see infinite loop, duration, transition, fade. We'll click it to slide left, and background side is like we can click like content. Position, you can keep it like you can select the position also. So for now, we'll keep it default, and this is content. And coming to text, we'll increase the text size. To increase the text size, we have to come to typography And we have to increase the text size from here. Like we'll keep 35 and 35, and we'll change the font to Montserrat. Same for this. So like this. And here the same way you can add the below also any description, like you take inspiration of build your own school website, like build a hero section for your own school, and keep a tagline, a caption, and a button like for like this. Here add button text, uh, right here admissions open, and keep the year, and type info success warning danger, like keep default. And you can style the button also from here. Here the position, center, this you can change this typography of the text, text shadow. This is effect for the button. So you can control all the things from here as same way. And if you want to if you want to like what we say, change the position or position of the button, just use this margin or padding to change the direction. If you want to change, like you want to downside or upside, you can directly use this margin. You can uh, take the text like button upside or downside. Here we'll be keeping it like same place. So this is how you can build your hero section, just like this. For now I have shown you rough way. You can in the same way, if you want to build your what we say, we'll go to about us also once. So here you go to about us also, the same way they have a hero section image. So you can see they have a hero section, and down they have like school, mission, leadership, Shantiniketan campus, somewhat text in this. So here the same way they have directly put the image, but we're going to build it. And now I'll tell you how to create forms. Here we open this also. So as we installed plugin of WP Forms, if you remembered, we have installed uh, three or four plugins. One is Elementor, one is we have installed three plugins. One is Elementor, one is Elements Kit, and one is Forms. So if you want to create form, click on this, click on Flexbox. Here, this, take this, and if you click on here, you have to take short code. First, we have to build form there. By the way, if you have login to your website, when you are logged into your website, you will get a small strip here through which you can access your admin panel. Like if you click on this, you will direct go to, like if you click on this, you can direct go to dashboard, plugins, themes, in whichever you want to go, you can go. Here you can add a post a page. If you want to add any new page, you can directly add from here. If you want this page from here, it's like if you want to edit this page, you can click on this like edit with Elementor, you can edit it. I am now clicking on this. Here, if you check, I think we have to activate the plugin first. Yeah, we have to activate it. If you activate the WP forms, the same way it will show here. Got it. Like like can't directly create your first form. So we have to install the plugin and then we have to open the plugin. Here we have to create our first form. It will opens. Like let's go. Done. So here this plugin gives some templates, pre-built templates, like you can see sample contact form, newsletter sign up, like automobile information, party invitation, RV like RSVP. So we can, like, if you want to take anything from this, you can take from this like directly, or if you want to create from blank, you have to click on this blank form. So we have to create blank. Here we can build from scratch, like we don't have to code or anything. Like it has some sections, like it give widgets like input a name, input mobile number, like you can see right here. If you check here, you have a name. So here it's already like will give, I think it's not scratch. So here the same way, first we take uh, flexbox, like we take single flexbox. The same way we'll click here, style. We take, like if you want to take like slide, you can take slide, or if there is a single image, if you click on here, just add a single image. Like I'll add this single image. Just add this, click insert. Now adjust the height, like what height you want. I'll keep this, and full width. So this is hero section, and now I'll be writing here a headline like this is about us, not contact, like contact us. Just contact us. And what I'll do, I'll keep this center, and I'll make it to middle, and I'll change the, now I'll go to style and I'll change the color of the text to white. For good visibility, we'll add shadow. So now the text is clearly visible. So if you want to increase the size of the text, like, so yeah, so this is, and if you want to make it bold, I'll make it extra bold. So this is contact. So hero section of the contact, and on coming to contact, here we have like we have a form, and above the form we'll add something. mm, what they have actually, we'll see contact. Here we can add map also. If you here map Google Maps, you can see, right? Directly you take Google Maps. Here you have to search the location. Like if you take example of this website, they have something, they have keep in West Bengal. We'll search, or no, I'll keep like, or you can see your Flickr Media LLP. I'll be clicking on this. So we'll take this, we'll copy paste here. Mm, mhm. We'll do one thing directly. Just take the location, just like this. Here you will get location like this. Just add it. Or yeah, it's like, so in this way, if you add direct like this, it shows. And what else? Like this is form. So now I think it's yeah. So here to create form, we'll click on blank. Create blank. So here in blank, first we add name. So first we take name, then we take number and email. So this is okay, we don't need the email and a paragraph. So this is a basic form. Uh, Save. And here we have field options also. For name, it's the required first name, last name. We can like what we say. We can keep like first name, last name. If you want to keep simple, a single field it will be shown. If you want to add first, middle, last, it will like this. You can customize the form. And coming to numbers, you can keep required or not required. And email, the same, required, not required. You can add the enable email confirmation also we can enable, like both times. And paragraph, a simple, like required or not required. This is label text. So this is what a form like we have created. Now click on existing page for contact. Let's go. We need short code. So here we have saved it and set up. Just go back to here, check for Elementor, all forms, like WP forms and all forms. Here you get like there are blank forms. Like we'll take the short code and we'll paste here. Yeah. So I think there is nothing. This I have to paste here. So we have to customize our like, edit. We have options like hide label, hide subtitle, read only. Here the WP forms not allow, like there are no, like what we say, more customizations we can't get in WP forms. So I have said you in that day only, like most customizations are given in WP like contact 7 form. Here in WP forms it will only give basic like this type of forms. uh, to get more customizations like this, we are going to use contact 7 forms. So for now, like you can build this basic pages. So once we see, so this is our contact, your form, location. So this is how the simple page. Next, coming to about. So in about, we can add say like same hero section. Excuse me. So click like single page. As I said, just adjust the heighting. This all you know, right? So heighting and all. Just right here, contact us and take a slide. Next one. Like here, just add about like about school or directly uh, the school. Sorry. Take a heading and add a text editor. In heading, keep like the school and then uh, like click on this click on flexbox. They like take these two. Here one side add vision mission, like take a heading, like for heading vision, and this is subtext. Just take this, keep downside, and the same way text again, and here we'll add downside. This is like here you write vision, and here you write mission, like vision and mission of your school. And here if you want to add an image, like image or icon, like search for icon, take icon, keep here. Here you can add icon the same way. If I'll just copy this from here, and I'll what we do, I'll click on this, I'll paste here, and I'll be keeping like, yeah, so like this. So here add the icons related to vision and mission. So this is like this way, this is about school, vision, mission. And here like what else we can write in about us, and write like take image box, and here take this not inside, like we create one more. Here take image box. Here in image box you can, what you can do, add your principal, like principal image, principal name, and you can write about their qualification, education, or about like something about them. And then what else we can write about vision, mission, and you can add a gallery, like a small gallery about like about the events, or anything, like if you conduct an events, like there are events in schools, right? You can add the like images of the, like take basic gallery, select the size, add images, like I have these images, right? I'll take this, insert in gallery. Before, like here, order by, go to this gap, keep custom gap between them, like somewhat gap in between them, and add a heading, like add gallery heading. So this is what, like this is basic about us page. So I am just giving the layout for the pages, as we don't have much time today. I have given like a contact page layout, right? Now this is going to be your home page, like about us page layout. Like you have to, like you have to give like take good images, and take content from ChatGPT, like about school, some AI generated text. Keep here, and take any random image of any, like your principal, or any random image, and keep it here, like add their name, their text, and keep some random school images. And this is about the about us page. So we have created like three pages, right? We have created home page, and this is going to be our about page, and contact page. We have created three page basic structure, as you can see this. So this is going to be our contact, like basic structure. So you can, like you have plenty of time, so you can do it, like you can add more style, you can add stylish, and you can do it correctly. And if we have like, Ashish, shall I continue for more 10 to 15 minutes?
Uh, I think we are already running out of time. If the students are happy, we can continue. Else, I think we can do it tomorrow.
uh,
What do
so
you
like
guys feel? You can drop in the chat.
because we have like I have told them about the three pages, but header footer I haven't tell them, right. So let it be. I'll take about header and like footer tomorrow. So for today, they can work on the three pages, like about the middle page content, like creating the hero section and downside content, like taking the widgets from there. They can create the content, like they can take some images, random images from Google, and they can create it. So like I have said you your task. So you have to create these three images and just the settings also. In settings, click on static page and click your home page as display page. And like today we haven't discovered this header, so I'll be leaving this header footer. So tomorrow we are going to discuss about header footer. So this is what about today's class. Like if you have any doubts, like at the time of building, I want to clear you one thing, that we have not entered into Elementor deeply right now. Once we entered into Elementor, I'll be explaining each and every point, like about the margins, the like we have using right margins, paddings, and about some styling we have using like strokes and everything, right. I'll be explaining in detail. For now, we are going to like we are having seen like we are seeing only the basic structure of pages, like how the pages will be built, like what are the basic sections in there in that. So this is what about today's section, guys. We can connect on Discord if you have any doubts. Like I'll be on, like I'll be going to Discord right now. Hello, Ashish.
Uh, yes. Yeah. Let's just give the task. And uh, when do you expect them to complete this task? By tomorrow or by the day of tomorrow?
So we'll be keeping like day after tomorrow. Let them complete the home page. This three by tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be going to explain header and footer. Then the full page will be completed, right. For today they have to build like home page, about, and the contact us pages, like they are very basic, won't take much time. And once they complete header footer also, it will be like good to see. Then they can take the screenshot of the full pages and upload in Google Drive.
That's great.
uh,
So we'll do that, and I think it's we can end the call today, right?
yeah, so if you have any doubts, you can ask me on Discord, guys, as we are running time. It's already more than half an hour.
Yes. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask Tarun on Discord. And also, I just wanted to uh, like take a moment to share that I have sent you an email yesterday. So it was about the survey. So I would really love if you all can fill out the survey. It's about the program itself. It is about like on how we can improve the program and how comfortable you are feeling and how is the learning journey going on. So yeah, it's anonymous. You can fill the form, and we don't know who filled the form. So you can fill in the correct information there without any hesitancy. Uh, and yeah, that's all. See you guys tomorrow. Good night. Uh, and also, I'll send you the drive link so you can upload on the task tomorrow. So yeah, happy learning. Bye.